Hello, grade 4 children. Children, we are doing chapter number 14, agriculture, and this is the second video of our chapter. Children, this is the last chapter we all are doing. I hope you all know that, right? In the first video, we have seen different food crops of India and what do you mean by agriculture. Still, there are few things left in food crops of India. Today, the things we are going to learn is the food crops grown in India. In that last one that is remaining, it's of pulses. We will see about it in detail. After that, we will see about cash crops grown in India. In that, we will see the introductory part that means what do you mean by cash crops, where it is found, which are the season. Okay. Then we will see about different cash crops. That means we will see about cotton, we will see about jute, then sugarcane, tea, and last one is coffee. So let's start with the first topic, food crops grown in India, that is about pulses. We will see. Children, pulses means dals. Dals that is masoor, that is red lentils, moong dal, arhar dal, and chana dal. These are the such examples of pulses, and it is also called. We also known it by dal. Children, pulses are a good source of protein. That means when you consume pulses, what are its benefit? It gives us lots of proteins. Okay. They need less moisture and can be grown in dry condition. Means where there is less rainfall, we can grow pulses over there. So which are the such states? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. These are some states where pulses are grown. Okay, so you can see in the map that Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Karnataka, these are the states where pulses are grown. Let's go ahead with the cash crops grown in India with its introductory part. What do you mean by cash crops? Crops which are mainly grown to be sold in the market for money. These are called cash crops. Let's take example of coffee. Coffee is grown to sell in the market, right? We cannot do anything of coffee. Like that means we can do, but we need coffee basically for that, right? So coffee crops which can be grown to sold in the market are called cash crops. They may be used as raw material for industries. We can use it as raw materials for industry. Just that means if we talk about sugarcane is used to make gur and jaggery, right? So sugarcane basically is a raw material. After that, it's converted into the finished products. So that means it can be used as a raw materials. The examples of cash crops are tea, sugarcane, jute, cotton, oilseeds, rubber, and coffee. These are some examples of the cash crops grown in India. I hope you have been clear with what do you mean by cash crops, which are mainly grown to sold in the market for money. These are known as cash crops. Let's go ahead with our first cash crop, that is cotton. We all know cotton, right? What do you mean? You can see in the picture what is cotton, how it looks, right? Cotton is used as raw material to make cotton cloth. Obviously, we use cotton to make cotton cloth. We cannot directly wear cotton, right? Instead of wearing cotton cloth, can we wear directly cotton? No, we cannot. We use it as a raw material to make clothes. It grows in warm climate where there is not too much cold, not too much hot. We need moderate type of climate. There is warm climate for growing cotton. And which are the states that grows cotton? Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Punjab. These are the some states where cotton is grown. Okay. Let's go ahead with another cash crop, that is jute. Okay, so jute is used to make bags, sacks, ropes, and carpets. Okay, so jute is used for this purpose. It requires high temperature and plenty of water to grow. We cannot grow jute in cool temperature, in snow where the snowfall is there, where heavy rainfall is there. No, we require high temperature and enough of water. Plenty of water means that it requires good amount of water to grow. Jute is mostly grown in West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, and Assam. You can see in the image given below there is West Bengal, then Bihar, Odisha, Assam. These are the main states which grows jute. Right. So it this is how jute rope looks like. I hope you all have seen it. Yes. Next cash crop grown in India is sugarcane. We all have seen sugarcane, how it looks, how we use it, right? Sugarcane juice and all. So, sugarcane is mainly used to make sugar and jaggery. Okay, so for what it is used to make sugar and jaggery. So you can see that it grows well in hot and moist climate. But main thing is India is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. You can see in the chart given below that India, these are the states of India which grow sugarcane, and India is the largest producing state country in the world. It is the highest number of production of sugarcane. So it's mainly used to make sugar and jaggery. Yes. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Punjab, and Haryana. These are the some states where sugarcane is grown. Whereas Uttar Pradesh has main high number of high percentage of sugarcane, that is 41%, and rest all other are Karnataka, right? So these are the data. Next cash crop grown in India is coffee. We all know about coffee, right? We drink coffee, but coffee is mainly grown in the southern states such as Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. You can see of coffee, then Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So these are the three main states which mostly grown coffee. It requires cool weather and heavy rainfall to grow. It requires very much heavy rainfall to grow. That's why lower southern states have good amount of rainfall. Next cash crops grown in India is about tea. So what do you know about tea? Children, tea is mostly grown on large plantation on the hills of Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Okay, so where the hills of Assam is there, there also tea is grown. Then in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala, it's grown. It's having a large, big field of tea. It requires a warm, wet climate to grow. India is the second largest producer of tea in the world after China. That means China is the first producer of the tea and India is the second. You can see in the image given below, China is the 31 percentage major production of the tea is done over there. Then it's India, okay, then other countries. So India is the second largest producer of the tea, and who is first one? That is the China. So that's all about cash crops. There are more cash crops left out to be explained. In the next video, I'll explain you ahead about the cash crops. But till then, please revise this chapter from student's book also, and try to solve the textual exercise. Okay, children, till the next video, everyone, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.